Hello, how are you, Abokor?
I'm great. What about you?
I'm also fine. Now I'm going to talk about your family. Ask you some question. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. You can ask me some question.
How many people are there in your family?
There are seven members in my family, and they are my parents, my elder brother, and I have three sisters and me also.
Do you have a big or small family?
I have a small family. There are seven members in my family. And
Do you spend a lot of time with your family?
no, I don't spend a lot of time with my family because I live in Dhaka city and they live in my house. That's why I don't spend a lot of time with them.
Okay. Who are you close to in your family?
To be honest, my mother is closest with me, and sometimes I share with her my problem, and she always supports me.
Okay. What activity do you like to do with your family?
I like many activities with them, with my family. Sometimes we gossiping in my house, and sometimes we watching videos, and sometimes we go outside for visit new place.
Why is family important to you?
Actually, family is very important for me because family provides supports always, and when I face uh, if any problem, they always stay with me, and they supports me always.
Okay. Do you do housework at your home?
To be honest, I don't any work in my house, and I am not able to do work in my house.
Okay. What kind of housework do you often do?
Actually, sometimes I clean my house and I don't any work in my house. Just
Okay. Thank you for answering my question.
okay, welcome, and see you again later.